morning. I am coming to you live from the, well, not live, this is recorded. I'm coming to you from the grocery store parking lot. My husband just went in to get some things because we can't stop going to the grocery store, I guess, this week. Clover was just at the park, so he's in the back just chilling. Clover, how you doing? So today is Saturday, and I spent a lot of the night last night up watching shorts. I can totally get the addictiveness of like TikTok and stuff, short form content. I just was watching shorts over and over and over and over again, just the next. It's wild how it's time passes so quickly when you watch those. And at the end of the day, did I remember any particular short? Well, I did actually. Some of them are really funny, but like most of the time I just kind of, it's like brain candy. It's really weird. That being said, YouTube is encouraging us creators to make shorts. They're like really incentivizing it. And I have made a couple of shorts. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the short form content. And they're fun to make. They're just a different kind of content. And I'm not sure where I want to go with the shorts, but I want to keep trying. So if you hate them, just skip them. The best thing about skipping them is they're only like 60 seconds, maybe 45 seconds or so. So good times. My goal for the day is to get everything edited and stuff so I can take a few days off. I would like to get ahead of my situation today, but I also have to do some laundry because I did a big closet clean out yesterday, and I'm gonna go through and see if I have any socks that needs to be part of the clothing recycling purge. But I feel much better that my closet is all cleaned out now, and my pajama drawer, my lounge drawer, chef's kiss, it's so good. It's a gorgeous fall day. It's so beautiful. So I'm thinking the butternut squash soup is gonna make a comeback. I'm still not gonna touch the fresh squash I have. I'm gonna let it sit out and look cute for a while, and then I'll use it later. But because if you've never cut open a fresh butternut squash, it's great, the flavor's great, but like it's kind of a pain in the butt because there's like all the seeds inside, but the seeds are in like the slimy membrane that you have to separate from the seeds if you want to like bake the seeds. So it's kind of a whole ordeal. So today I don't have that much energy. I want to film my plant care video that I have. It's probably scheduled to go up next weekend, and make the soup and edit everything else. So we'll see how much I can get done. I'd really like to play some video games and record. I've been recording a video series on my other channel that is buying old memory cards from Animal Crossing GameCube and just playing them and see if they have information on them. And I was so excited to win this eBay auction of this memory card that was the same, I think the same person owned it that owned one of my other memory cards, so it was going to be like I was completing a set, and someone came in and swooped the highest bid, like someone swooped in the last like 2 seconds and won the auction. And I have never been so livid to lose an eBay auction in my entire life. Like if another creator makes that video about that memory card, I'll know it was you. I have the other memory card. I have like it was gonna complete a set, and now I'll never do that unless they like send it to my PO box and it was like a fan or something. So I'm mad. I am super mad about it. I had a dream about it. I had a dream that like they somehow put it back online. I don't know. Anyway, I thought I'd let you know about that. But I do have one more memory card that does have town information on it that is like not an Animal Crossing memory card, but the memory card said Animal Crossing, so I bought it anyway, and it has town information on it. So I'm very excited to film that video very soon. The town's called Frowny, which is so cute. So I hope that one's fun. Clover, did you have a good morning? Did you have fun? How's your life? All right, I will see you in a little while. So I've been editing for like most of the day, and I haven't been online or been in camera to tell you anything, but I do want you to know that I have edited now 4 videos, 3 videos, anyway, 3 videos, and they are ready to rock. So I'm back ahead again, which is great. It is really easy to fall behind when you fall behind, and to get back on the one day ahead hill is very difficult, but we've accomplished it, and hopefully that means I'm looking forward to the rest of the week. I'm noticing it's a little bit cooler than last year in October, but it is beautiful. And tonight we are going to hot pot, like outside of our house, for the first time since like Omicron. We've been being very careful. We haven't really been eating out in restaurants since the whole Omicron business and the BA5, BA4, whatever. But we're both boosted now with the new booster, which, by the way, was not a good time. So hopefully that'll make things a slightly less severe if we happen to get infected. But we are very excited to go to hot pot because we've been making our own hot pot in our house, and the results are incredible. It's just like going to our favorite hot pot restaurant. We have the same broth and everything. The only difference is it is a lot more work to clean up afterward, and it is a lot more prep that goes in before. But we go to H Mart, we buy everything, and it's like being at a restaurant, but it takes us like a half hour to clean up after that, and it's just sometimes we just don't want to do that. So tonight we're going out, we're gonna have hot pot, and we're going on a little date. So do I look like I'm ready to go on a date? I don't know. I have a cute little sweatshirt on. Look, it says Strawberry Club. This is somebody's awesome Etsy brand. Her name's Carlene. I will link it down in the description below so you guys can go shop at her Etsy store. It sells cute little things like fragrances, stickers, shirts. Very cute. Anyway, my little sweatshirt. Is it not adorable? It's very comfy, very soft. Clover's here. He's been sleeping a lot of the day since he was at the dog park. You guys saw him running around and stuff. Everybody always says they love seeing Clover, and you know what? I don't disagree with them. I also love seeing him. Hello, mister. How are you doing? You're looking very handsome. Oh my god, look at the tail going. Are you ready to eat soon? We're gonna feed you a little earlier today so we can go out on a date. Yes, we're gonna go on a date. Yeah. Look at how handsome you are. It's kind of ridiculous. Like, how are you so incredibly handsome and adorable and a little bit bratty at the same time? I don't get it. Explain. Make me kid. I planted some pea seeds outside, and look, they came up. They're doing really well. I'm doing everything in my power to resist actually eating these pea greens. If you've never actually eaten pea greens, they taste so good. They kind of taste like peas. Actually, you know what? All right, I'm sorry. I had to eat one. It tastes like pea. Well, peas, not like just like pea, but you know what I mean. Oh, it tastes so good. Well, look who made it to the porch. Hello, sir. What are you doing out here? I have to get these babies ready to bring back inside because they don't live out here all winter. They're gonna freeze, so hopefully I can like acclimate these to being inside because it's getting a little too chilly out here for them. What are you doing? You smelling the plants? Waiting for this? There you go. He loves lettuce. Are you a healthy boy? You like a good salad? Yeah, me too. Me too! It's me. I'm on the floor again in my office and having a wonderful little cappuccino or latte. Very good. I spent a lot of the rest of the weekend decompressing. I filmed a bunch on Friday and I edited 4 videos on Saturday, and I think I need to like lessen the amount that I edit, or like the things I do when I edit. I mean, these are vlogs. I don't know how much they need editing, but I'm like putting on J-cuts. I'm doing all kinds of things. And I think I need to tap that down because I think I'm getting a little overwhelmed and like I can't keep up. So I think they'll be a little less edited. I have some things I need to do with y'all. Like the storage room really needs to be cleaned out and we need to go shopping. So those will be coming up, but this week is going to be a little wild. Having a YouTube channel is really interesting because I can see all of the like the analytics and data behind viewer behavior, and I knew if I just did like listicles every video, you know, like 12 different organization ideas for your bathroom or whatever, that would exponentially grow the channel. Or if I organized a closet in every video, but that's not really realistic. So it's tough to see what works as opposed to what you would like to create. And I think the ideal thing is to find a happy medium. I think every content creator kind of feels the same. There's a formula or some video that they make that's really popular, but you don't want to make that every time. And it's kind of a happy medium between like videos you know your people on your channel will watch, and videos that are like just for you, and that like selfish content creation. And I have to admit that like Vlogtober is like a tad bit of selfish content because the videos overall don't perform as well because a lot of people don't care about me, right? They just care about the organizing tips. But I mean, some of you, it's like maybe like 10%, maybe not even 10%, maybe like 5% of you are here because you are interested in what's going on in the vlogs. So that's really just for like us. And so during Vlogtober I have to do a mix of the two to sort of not kill momentum on my channel completely. But it's just a little bit interesting. I feel like I would talk a little bit about the behind the scenes sort of content strategy I have going on. And if you think that I have some sort of like very sophisticated content strategy, I don't. I am very much kind of fly by the seat of my pants this year. I'm trying to be more intentional in my like content strategy, but it's proving to be quite the task. And instead, I'm just gonna like make stuff and put it up on the internet and let it go. So, and you know, it's been really interesting. Over the past week, and this may like out my like trash viewing, but I'm going to talk about it anyway. I'm not going to say anybody's name specifically, but if you know, you know. There's a content creator who is like the real life Truman Show. Like they live stream their life. Like it's been happening for like at least a year, maybe 18 months. And they're a mess. Like point blank, like they're a hot mess. Like their life is a hot mess. Their room is literally a mess. But there's something about them that's very fun to watch because it's unfiltered, uncensored. You just kind of see what's out, like all the mistakes and all the mess is out there. And it's like, it's kind of like watching, you know, like when you watch like you train wreck, you can't look away. It's kind of that thing. But there's like little parts of this person that like make you laugh, but also they make you angry at the same time. Anyway, over the past week, they've completely tried to like do a 180 on their YouTube channel and like sanitize it and change it and go the complete other direction. And it's weird. And I just have to be like,
That's like all of a sudden if I just started uploading like Minecraft videos on this channel. Wouldn't that be weird for you all? You know what's also very weird? That I'm wearing like 3 sweatshirts. This is like an outside sweater. I have this like hoodie on, and then I'm wearing a sweatshirt. That's fall for you. I don't know why I'm rambling about stuff. Maybe it's the coffee. I don't know. I just had a really good sandwich. So I'm gonna go. And maybe today is a good day to tackle the storage room. There's not a lot going on. It's not like super messy, but there's stuff that could be better organized. You know what? I'm feeling I'm feeling motivated. All right, storage room. Possibly the next video. All right. Thanks for watching this like patchwork vlog, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Thanks for watching if you got through this. Bye.